Yoga for Weight Loss. Welcome to the Ankar Singh Yoga YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting session planned for you all. We'll be focusing on yoga exercises specifically designed to aid in weight loss. Yoga not only helps you shed those extra pounds, but also promotes overall well-being. So let's get started. Scene 1. Warm-up. Host. Let's begin with a gentle warm-up to prepare our bodies for the yoga practice. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and relax your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently twist your torso from side to side, loosening up your spine. Repeat this movement for about 10 breaths. Scene 2. Sun salutations. Host. Sun salutations are a fantastic way to increase your heart rate and activate multiple muscle groups. Let's perform a few rounds together. Start at the front of your mat, standing tall with your hands in prayer position. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward and place your hands on the mat. Inhale, step your right foot back into a lunge position. Exhale, bring your left foot back to a plank position. Inhale, lower your knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Exhale, slide forward into cobra pose. Inhale, lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Exhale, step your right foot forward into a lunge position. Inhale, step your left foot forward to meet the right. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up with your arms overhead. Exhale, return to the prayer position. Repeat the sun. Salutations flow for about 5 rounds, synchronizing your breath with the movements. Scene 3. Standing poses. Host. Let's move on to some standing poses that will engage your core muscles and help improve your balance. Warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Step your right foot forward and extend your arms parallel to the floor. Turn your right foot out to a 90-degree angle, aligning your right heel with the arch of your left foot. Bend your right knee while keeping your left leg straight. Gaze over your right fingertips and hold for 5 breaths. Repeat on the other side. Triangle pose, Trikonasana. From Warrior 2, straighten your right leg and reach your right hand forward, placing it on your shin or a block. Extend your left arm up toward the ceiling and gaze at your left hand. Hold for 5 breaths and switch sides. Perform each pose